We all know that stretch marks and scars can be very hard to get rid of. First, let's understand what stretch marks are. They form when the skin is stretched rapidly, causing the connective tissue in the middle layer of your skin, known as the dermis, to rip and form a scar. Stretch marks are most common in growing teenagers and pregnant women. As your skin stretches, collagen production slows down, resulting in fine scars under the skin. Initially, these marks might appear pink or red, but over time they transform into thin, silvery lines on the skin's surface. The skin consists of three main layers: epidermis, the outer layer, dermis, the middle layer, and subcutaneous or hypodermic, the deepest layer. Now, down to the business of making your homemade stretch mark cream that will greatly improve and diminish stretch mark appearance, as well as prevent new ones from appearing, especially if you are pregnant and your skin keeps stretching to make space for your bundle of joy, and you feel like your skin is going to just rip off, as well as the itchy discomfort. This homemade stretch mark cream will really relieve the discomfort. In addition, this homemade cream will reduce the risk of stretch marks and help to ease your mind significantly. This recipe uses natural, safe ingredients that are beneficial for you and your growing baby. Moreover, the ingredients can be used in various other homemade products, making this a versatile DIY project. The key ingredients are Neroli essential oil, Helichrysum essential oil, organic shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, beeswax, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, lavender oil, and lemon oil. Neroli essential oil is renowned for its anti-scarring properties and its ability to stimulate circulation and encourage cell regeneration. However, neroli oil can be quite expensive, so feel free to omit it if you are on a budget. Helichrysum essential oil is indispensable for regenerating damaged skin and is known for its healing and fading effects on scars and stretch marks, and even surgical wounds, like C-section scars. It contains diketones which help reduce scar tissue and stimulate growth of new skin tissue. It is one powerful essential oil that is a must-have. Lavender essential oil is healing and calming. It also nourishes broken, cracked skin. Lemon essential oil can lighten the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Vitamin E oil is moisturizing and highly nourishing. It also prolongs the life of your butter. Sweet almond oil contains vitamins A and E. It contains a large amount of antioxidants which helps skin appear younger. Coconut oil is extremely healing. It is full of antioxidants and vitamin E. Cocoa butter is famous for protecting the skin from stretch marks. It is highly nourishing and penetrates to the lower epidermis of the skin. Shea butter helps rebuild collagen, which is broken down when the skin ages or becomes damaged. Beeswax thickens your butter as well as provides a protective barrier that holds moisture in the skin. So, how do you make this potent stretch mark cream or belly butter that will not only prevent stretch marks and scars, but will also help fade existing ones? It's pretty simple. Start by melting 2 teaspoon almond oil, 2 teaspoon butters, 2 teaspoon coconut oil, and 1.5 teaspoon beeswax in a double boiler. Once they are fully melted, remove from heat and pour into a 4-ounce container. Once hardened completely, take a spoon and stir your butter into a creamy texture. Add essential oils and vitamin E oil, that is 3 teaspoons of vitamin E oil, 20 drops neroli essential oil, 15 drops Helichrysum essential oil, 15 drops lavender essential oil, and 10 drops lemon essential oil, and mix again. By adding the essential oils after your butter has cooled, you're ensuring that the potency of the oils won't be damaged by heat. How to use DIY stretch mark cream. Apply this butter at least once a day. Massaging the oil nightly can encourage blood flow, which is always good for healthy skin. Where there is good blood flow, there is healthy skin. Let it soak in for at least 15 minutes before putting clothes over it. If you're pregnant, keep using it even after the birth of your baby. This stretch mark cream recipe is also perfect for healing a C-section scar. It will soothe the damaged skin as well as accelerate healing. And there you have it, your homemade stretch mark cream. Remember, consistency is key. Apply this cream at least once a day to keep your skin well nourished and hydrated. This will not only relieve you from the discomfort of stretching skin, but also fade and hopefully prevent stretch marks. To recap, we've learned that stretch marks form when the skin stretches rapidly. causing the connective tissue in the middle layer of the skin to rip and form a scar. We've also learned how to make a homemade stretch mark cream using natural ingredients that not only prevent stretch marks but also help fade existing ones. So, worry no more about stretch marks during or after pregnancy. With this homemade stretch mark cream, you're well equipped to take control of your skin's health and appearance. Enjoy your journey to motherhood. I have put the list of the ingredients in the comments section below. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.